Okay, hi guys. Ang aga natin today and there's only one reason. We're in NAIA Terminal 3. Kita ba? Yeah. Terminal 3. Na eating na sila ng breakfast. Okay. We're waiting for one more character. Kakat yun eh. Mag-edit eh. Okay. Sabihin ko na ba kung saan tayo pupunta? Sabihin ko na ba? Sabihin ko na ba guys kung saan kayo pupunta? I think makikita nyo naman sa title ng video. But, hindi pa yun yung final destination. It's just our layover. So, stay tuned! Hey! Hi guys!
Oh my god, you look like mama.
Wait lang guys, I'm videoing. Yan na, ang most awaited character in my vlog.
Anong dapat hindi makalimutan?
Passport. Why? Are you wearing a Saigon shirt?
Yeah.
Going to, ano?
Ang comfy niya siya. Akin ko.
Wow, can I see? Ang tagal niyang nawala. I mean, never ko pa rin nasama sa vlog. So, first time niya. And she's finally here.
Bakit naman yung reveal ko? Hindi naka-on.
Okay lang yan, normal na very bare talaga sa airport.
Talaga?
Yeah. Nag-Alden ba ako?
Or a bit. Oh my god.
Uy, ang dami kong Alden moments dito dahil dito. Nag-explain ako sa isa kong vlog na parang, guys, parang nababanlag ako sa video. Pero hindi ako ganun in person.
Wag ka kasi tumingin kung saan. Tumingin ka na lang sa sarili mo.
Hindi kasi kapag nakatingin ako sa sarili ko, nag-distract ako eh.
Dami tao?
Ito na, papasok na kami guys, mamaya na. Kulit kasi ng mga to eh. Dami request. Met, mama.
See? Have energy level. Can see. Can see.
Waiting for boarding. So sleepy. We're all sleep deprived, guys. But we'll power through. Si Ashley Ortega. Height difference. Ay, look at height. Okay lang. Guess who's older? Let's go guys. We're group G. Good.
We request all the morning back hotel podcast at 53929.
This is it. This is fancy. Nakikita na lang yung difference in personality. Siya yung
Jejemon.
We're going KD approach gate 106 front desk immediately.
Chinchansu.
saan galing po?
Sasyo. Hindi parang mena.
Isa nito?
Feeling ko dapat gantong angle other try.
Ayan. Kasi
Lagi kasi ako nakaganito eh.
very vlog. Pero wait lang, iganto mo. Meron siyang vlog nakaganyan.
Oo, kasi nagkukwento ako. Para ako may kausap, may ka-video.
0.5 yan.
Yeah, it's 0.5.
Hindi naman 0.5.
So guys, introduce yourselves, please.
Hi everyone, I'm Mia. And I like
How old are you?
I am 20-something years old. And I am doing well. Thank you.
Ikaw naman, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Chaya. You guys met me already.
Yeah. So guys, if nakabot kayo sa part ng vlog na to, comment.
LFG down below. Girl, ang pangit naman yung LFG. LFG!
So guys, what are you expecting sa trip na to? Good food. Food, yeah.
Yeah, food. And new postcards.
Kung sagot na kanina. Pagod.
Hindi ako nakakuha yung reference eh.
Alam ko yun.
Yung after naman ka ng ano, ay after sumayaw. Girl, yun naka-earphones na hindi na, wala nang pumilip tayo. Ay, sabi pala ni Cez, ang ganda.
Ako.
Sabi ko, thank you.
Sige, shoutout Cez. Thank you.
And must not be used during the flight. For everyone's safety on board, smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited. If you need assistance, please approach any of our ground crew. And
Anong default face mo ng baby ka? Yun o, alam niya.
Patingin.
Lagi siya nakaganyan.
Bakit?
Di ba si Mia?
Kasi gusto mo laging may...
Hmm.
May oral fixation.
Oh, that's our, ano? Gusto mo magpipicture, ma? Gusto mo magpipicture? Magpapicture mo na sa mama. It's okay, they can wait. All good? Yay!
Hi guys. Paulit-ulit na hi
She's
guys.
in the mood na, guys.
Yeah, because I'm feeling it already.
Yan naman yung ano.
Bakit kami nangunguna sa kara?
Yan naman. Yun naman munang red yung buhok. Namunang red yung buhok.
Do take care. Just
Gusto mo?
Baka mag-ramen ako.
Hindi siya mag-e-end. Stop.
That's cheap too. Ganun na din yung price if we get doon.
Planong natin kung magkano.
So baka mas mahal dapat kinuha mo na lahat.
Hindi, may lang to. Kasi alam ko bibidyo niyo ako pagtulong. Ano guys? Shy! Mehmet! Si Mama! Kita ang sarili mo? Seriously? Hi! Oh, I saw it though. Shy, can you see it?
Oo, ganda ko.
Do you remember this na? Not yet. Kasi ngayon nawala na naman siya. Grabe oh. Hi! Oh my God!
Oo, yan ako. Oo, yung ano, ganda ko.
That's so nice. Okay, so hi guys! We're finally here in Singapore and we're very happy. Ayan, as you can see, that's the Marina Bay Sands. And we're very happy because the last time we were here was around 14 years ago. So, wala lang, this feels very nostalgic seeing this building again. And I remember we stayed there, sa Marina Bay Sands for like 4 nights the last time we were here. But right now, no, we're not staying here. Yeah, I think we only have 2 hours to go around. So, yun, we just visited Marina Bay Sands. Yeah, taking photos. But uh-huh. O, diba? Ganda-gandahan pa ako tumutik na ako maiwan. Kung may upuan, kung wala, okay lang din. Okay lang, sige mama, you sit down. Hindi, parang one. Kala ko picture worthy siya, hindi. Like, ano mo yung mga train? Maliit. Ano ba?
Doors are closing.
No, wala.
Please hold on to the handrails. We are now leaving the terminal.
Oh, sorry. Nasa serious nga, ni. Ay, it was captured. Very passing through. Oh, I think we're passing through the
We are now approaching Terminal 3. Please bring along all your belongings.
Ito na naman sa atin. Siya na tayong patok sa mga puti. Painting ay na naman sa akin ng puti. Lagi na nangyayari. Diba? Terminal 3, guys. Kain lahat tayo ng kakainan. Are you guys hungry? Or is it just me? Are you hungry?
Hungry.
Are you hungry? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Hi guys! While waiting for our flight, we're here. And there's my family. Oh, they're there. Hi! Okay. So now, bili muna tayo nito. Kasi it's everyone's favorite. O, diba? Papunta pa lang kami, bibili na kagad ako ng pampasalubong. Oh my God. This one is my favorite. Ayan guys, si mama talaga kahit saan magpunta, nakikipagtsikahan.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello.
Are you taking photos? Ayun, tapos, wait lang, hindi ko kausap ko yung mga friends ko. Baliw. Bais liw. Ito talaga yung mga... Oh, gusto biglang tingin. Hi guys, so we are trying to recreate this photo of Shaya sa airport also when we went to Singapore. Sige nga, how are you gonna recreate this?
I'm gonna, oh my god. 1, 2, 3.
Patient photographer.
1, 2, 3. Di ba medyo pababa yun? Okay na yun.
Can you see? Kita ba?
Di ba?
Including taxi, takeoff, and landing. Thank you.
Okay. So hi guys, our layover.
Ladies and gentlemen, as a precaution against
Okay, so hi guys, our layover is done and we're on our way to our next destination. Thank you!
Which is where?
Sa next vlog. Okay, sige, bye!